Welcome to this brief guide on how to mute and block accounts on Mastodon. As with other social networking services, occasionally you may find the need to block an account, or potentially you may just want to mute them for a short period of time. Today I'm going to show you how to do that on Mastodon. So here I have my Mastodon client open at the moment, and what I can see at the top here is that I've got a post from The Verge, and they're telling me about Indiana Jones and the Dial of Destiny, but maybe I'm finding that at the moment I'm actually getting a little bit too many posts from The Verge, and so I just like to mute them for a little while. So I can use the ellipsis menu found in the bottom corner of their post, and when I click on this, I use the options found about 2/3 of the way down the context menu, and I have the ability to easily mute your account. I can also use the option to block them. I'll show you how both of these work during this video. For the first demonstration, we're going to select the option that says to mute, at which point we'll get a pop-up, and it's going to let us know that this is going to hide the posts from this user, as well as posts mentioning them. If you wish, you can also use the radio toggle to hide any notifications from this user, or choose not to if you wish. And the best thing about this is if you wish to, you can actually use the drop-down menu here and designate a set period of time. So if you wish to only mute this account for say 1 hour, maybe they're just posting quite a bit too much just at the moment, you can choose to do that, and this mute will automatically undo after the set period of time. Selecting the mute button in the bottom corner here will activate this mute function. Because I'm going to show you how to use the block functionality, I'm going to click cancel here. Also found in that ellipsis menu is the ability to select to block an account entirely. Once you select the block account, you'll have a pop-up notification and it will show you the username that you are going to block, just to make sure you don't make any mistakes. You also have options to block and report the account quickly and easily from here, and the button that I've just clicked there, which is just to block the account. Now it's worth noting that if I use the search bar and I actually type in their username and do a search, I will still be able to find their account, and I can quickly and easily use the unlock button here to unblock the account should I wish. I also have the ability to click on the profile and still view the profile. I can see that I've currently got them blocked, and I've got a button to unblock them. Selecting this though will only unblock the account. As you'll notice, I do need to click to follow them again, because during the process of blocking, you will automatically unfollow an account. And that is how you mute and block accounts on Mastodon. I hope you found this tip extremely useful, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more content like this, be sure to check out the channel, and if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.